Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to open a new tab page in Microsoft Edge web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. And next step ay open lang natin ang ating Microsoft Edge web browser. And then dito lang sa taas ay makikita mo dito yung new tab. And then kapag click mo tong plus signs, ito yung new tab. And then pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut of Control plus P. Ayan, ito siya. Alright? And then next, kapag gusto mo naman itong i-close tab, so kapag click mo itong X, and then makikita mo dito yung Control plus W, ito yung keyboard shortcut niya. So, Control plus W, ayan, ito siya. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-open ng new tab page in Microsoft Edge. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.